e re ke o rute he taba e nngwe e bohlokwa ka bophelo ba hao e tshwantseng o ihlokomele e tshwantseng futhi o nke very serious. Ha o dutse ka neo ya hao, ha o dutse ka bohlale ba hao, ha o dutse ka tsebo eo Modimo o hlonolofaditseng ka yona, meaning divine wisdom and knowledge, o tshwana le motho o rongwengwetsa mosebetsi but o sa etseng next ka kganya le lesedi le Modimo o fileng lona. Ha o le motho that keeps on continuously wanting to look for something that you have inside outward, kantle, then o tshwana le motho o tlo tsamayang bophelo ba hae a khapa batho mo leetong, a khapa batho mo bophelong while they still have something so precious, something so great, something so big. But for as long as you haven't understood that there's some keys and so many beautiful hidden things that you know, the things that you are not aware, it's things that you're going to discover. So it's a self-improvement, self-discovery and everything. But how santsane so batlo utlwisisa hore wena bophelo ba hao le diqeto tsa bophelo ba hao, they say a lot about where you have to go and where you are going. And o sa so sebedisi matla Modimo o fileng ona, o so sebedisi bohlale le tsohle tse Modimo o fileng tsona, o tlo nne ntse o hlakana le mathata a tshwanang over and over and over again. And the reason why Modimo is not making it any easy for us, because he knows that he's given us brains, because he knows that he's given us a heart, because he knows that he's given us so much that we can be able to create. And for as long as you don't want to create, you don't want to use what God has given you to actually bring it to life and show people or do something that will help the world that we are living in transform into something better, o tlo dula ntse o le plekeng o dutseng ho yona, o tlo dula ntse o thola the same and over again, getting the same thing and the same answers that you continuously get that don't favor you. But the minute now you start standing up with your own feet and making sure that, no, I have this knowledge, I have that. You don't have to figure it all out. You don't have to figure it all out now. The little that you have is going to lead you to far more and better and greater things that are in alignment le mo yang ko teng bophelong ba hao. From me to you, please do make sure that you don't trip on the things that God has given you and blessed you with. You don't downplay the blessings tse Modimo o hlonolofaditseng ka tsona. You don't take for granted the power that lies within your spirit, the power that lies within the potential that you have as an individual. A ke batlo ntse o kena o tswa plekeng tse different, trying to find something outside of you that lives within you. You're wasting time. Try looking inward. See, actually, where can I go? Where can I start? How can I do this? And how can I work around fixing that? And how can I make sure that whatever that I have, it works in my favor? And in total, the people that you continuously see that speak about focus on your life, do this, enhance, change. Those people, they know what they're speaking about. And the changes sometimes don't need to be changes that someone else can see or who had things. They start from within. That one feeling that you are feeling that made you so connected that no one else sees, but it was felt by you. That's an improvement. That's a big thing. That's a huge thing. Work around having those things or enhancement as well within you. And then you will see your life changing for the better. Don't stay in one place. That's going to create more troubles. It's going to create so many things that's unnecessary, that were not even part of your journey. So from me to you, stand for your life. That's my 2 minutes. That's my two what? Hore o khone o ba right, o phele le wena o ganye, Modimo o etse hantle.